Hi guys, so welcome to our coffee bar. So for this video tutorial, I will be showing you how you can make your own latte or cappuccino. We have the espresso machine and accessories. We have the tamper, distributor, some brush for cleaning. We have also milk jug, weighing scale, knock box, and our coffee grinder. Okay. So, coffee beans are provided na rin. So, this one is a freshly roasted beans. Meron din tayo dito unsweetened cocoa powder for your mocha and hot chocolate. So, the sweetener, we have some sugar, brown sugar. We have a caramel and vanilla. If you do not prefer espresso-based drinks, so we have also some French press. We have also some filtered coffee set. We have the gooseneck kettle, the coffee server, and this one is the V60 dripper and coffee filter. Now, let's prepare the espresso machine. So, ensure lang natin that there is enough water sa water tank ng espresso machine. So, we can use this milk jug to get some filtered water. So, mapapansin nyo, there are two faucets, tap water and drinking water. Yung water tank can be found at the back of espresso machine. So, open lang natin yung lid, then transfer the filtered water. So, punuin lang natin siya. So, we have three buttons sa espresso machine. So, the first one is the single shot button, in middle is double shot button, and the third one is steaming button. So, press lang natin any of these three to turn on the machine. So, this is our portafilter. So, sa loob niyan, we have a filter basket. So, for the beginners, we are using the dual wall basket. Okay. So, how to insert the portafilter? So, lagay lang natin yung filter basket, then insert, then lock. Then, grab some latte cup. Ilagay lang natin siya sa ilalim ng portafilter, then press the double shot button. So, warm up lang natin yung portafilter and your latte cup. Kailangan yung portafilter natin is mainit siya. Ganun din yung latte cup para hindi madaling lumamig yung kape nyo. So, this process will take about 10 seconds. Pag umilaw na lahat, means it's ready na. Then, iwan lang natin siya sandali. Okay, so next is coffee pack preparation. So, meron tayo ditong weighing scale. Turn on lang natin. Then, kunin natin yung dosing cup. Lagay natin sa weighing scale. Then, press stir button to zero it out. Then, meron tayo ditong coffee beans. So, our recipe is about 16 grams. So, weigh lang tayo ng 16 grams. So, let's check the espresso grinder. Ensure lang natin yung grind size is nasa espresso range. This is grind size 17. Then, transfer lang natin yung coffee beans sa hopper. Then, ibalik natin yung dosing cup. Then, close. Then, turn on the grinder. This one will take about 30 seconds to complete. So, mapapansin nyo naman kapag tahimik na siya, it means all the coffee beans had been grinded already. So, turn off lang natin. Let's unlock the portafilter. So, by this time, mainit na siya. So, dry lang natin siya with hand towel. Okay, next is transfer lang natin yung coffee ground sa portafilter basket. So, here's a tip para mas madali. So, place lang natin yung portafilter on top of the dosing cup, then turn it upside down. Then tap a few times to set to the coffee ground para hindi siya umapaw. So, we have accessories like the distributor and tamper. So, for the distributor, place lang natin siya on top of the portafilter. Then rotate. To level lang natin yung coffee grounds. Then next, we have a tamper. So this is a self-leveling tamper. Place lang natin siya on top, then press. Insert lang natin, then lock. Okay, so by this time, mainit na rin yung ating latte cup. So just dispose the hot water from the latte cup. Then place natin yung weighing scale sa drip tray. So raise lang natin yung cup para mas malapit yung latte cup sa portafilter spout. Then to start the brewing, press the double shot button. The brewing time will take about 25 to 30 seconds to complete. So kapag umilaw na yung tatlong lights, so it's now ready. Here's your double shot espresso. Okay, so to clean the portafilter, unlock lang natin. Then place it sa knockbox. Then grab a teaspoon. Divide lang natin yung coffee pack into 2. Then knock it to the knockbox. Then rinse with water. Then set aside lang natin yung portafilter. So grab tayo ng milk jug, then place lang natin sa ilalim ng espresso machine and press the double shot button. Meron pa kasing mga coffee grounds dun sa group head kung saan lumalabas yung hot water. So linisin lang natin. Dispose lang natin yung water and rinse the milk jug. Okay, next naman is we steam our milk. So we have oat milk and fresh milk sa fridge. It is important na malamig yung milk na gagamitin natin. So yung milk jug natin, meron siyang indicator, yung maximum of milk na kailangan natin gamitin. So wag tayong lalagpas doon kasi kapag in-steam natin yung milk, aapaw siya. So sundin lang natin yung maximum level. Okay, so for steaming, meron tayo ditong dalawang button. Yung red is for your temperature. So set lang natin to 3 bars. Then the second button is your froth level. So we have 1 bar for flat white, 2 bar for latte, and 3 bar for cappuccino. So set lang natin for latte, 2 bars. Pull lang natin yung steam 1, then insert the milk jug. Then push it down. Ensure lang natin the milk jug is touching the sensor sa baba. Then press the steam 1 button. Steaming will take about a minute to complete. Kapag umilaw na yung tatlong button, it means tapos na yung steaming natin. We can now remove the milk jug. Then now, let's clean the steam 1. So, grab lang natin yung hand towel natin. Then, put some small amount of water. So, we need a damp towel to clean it. So, mas madali siyang linisin kapag damp towel. Then, yung steam 1, push it down. So what happened here is magdi-dispose siya ng excess milk. So, auto-cleaning siya. Okay, so espresso natin and steam milk are ready. So, we are now ready to make a latte. So, just pour the steam milk to your espresso. So, latte art is optional, but give you a quick demo how you can make a latte art. So, pour from a distance. When it's about 3/4 of the cup, lower your milk jug and make a pattern. So here's your latte. So enjoy the drink while it is hot. So before we leave the machine, just rinse the milk jug with water. Then insert the portafilter. Remove the drip tray and rinse with water. Then return it back. To turn off the machine, press and hold the single shot button and steam 1 button at the same time for a few seconds. If you do not drink coffee, meron naman tayong available na hot chocolate to make. So add lang tayo ng 2 teaspoon ng sugar and 3 teaspoon ng cocoa powder. We have a separate kettle, so just add a small amount of hot water. Then mix it well. If you have experience in espresso machine, you can manually steam your milk. But for the beginners, I recommended the automatic one that I demo earlier. It's now time to make your hot chocolate. Just pour the steamed milk to your chocolate mixture. Okay, this time let's make a mocha. So for the sweetener, I opted for the vanilla syrup, just 1 pump. Then add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Then let's pull a double shot espresso. So here's now your espresso and chocolate mixture. Just mix it well. Then add your steamed milk. Okay, so if you prefer a black coffee, let's make Americano. So after pulling a double shot espresso, just add hot water. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and enjoy your stay.